In this episode, Ryan does some cultural exchange. We pass these guys on the road. We rode out of the Dolomiti and into Austria. It is absolutely breathtaking. How could we not stop at this place for lunch and get a big old burger?
Someone who knows what is to come, 'cause the future's so deceiving. She breaks promises for fun. Strange motions, like a shift in the flow.
And now we cross from Austria to Slovenia.
It's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times.
Tolls, tickets, euros, feeding it in the machine, on a motorcycle, gloves, don't drop them, go when it turns green. Ugh, it's got to be a better way.
We can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night in the paradise. We can flee the night. Flee the night in the paradise. We can flee.
So we made it to Lužovan, Slovenia, and parked our motorcycles at the hotel so we could go walk around the beautiful city.
I've been searching in the dark, trusting every clue I found.
Just an absolutely stunning city.
Cause every corner of these woods is hollow. I can't see in the dark.
You have to watch this. This cat needs some major attention from his dog. Oh my gosh, this dog is like, what is wrong with this cat? Gotta put that in there. I can't help you, buddy. You're on the other side of the fence. Good luck.